Good morning, everybody. Today is February 17th, 2026. We're back at it again. Had a good day yesterday, 600 plus on the day. I was trading a little bit overnight. I made $300 overnight trading NQ. So that was pretty nice. Cannot complain. We could do a little pre-market analysis. So from what I see is we're completely low of balance. The lowest we were was 24,200, and that was 2 weeks ago, last week, February 5th. So since then we kind of came up back into a balanced area. We chopped around for a little bit, and then now we're back at that balance range low. What I would like to see is either a break of this low at 200, or at least come down to 200 and try it. Right, that would be the most ideal scenario. Just short it down, or we're gonna bounce off Monday's low, which is 24,520, and maybe get a reaction past overnight VWAP. We got a lot of key levels we could target. We got, weekly open, Monday high, previous week's mid, previous month's low. Everything's above us. We've just been falling as of recently. Let's see, 500's highlighted, 900's highlighted. Yeah, there's nothing kind of indicating where we could possibly go. Maybe 25,500, but we get the same amount of orders. Formed at 750, 100 points over at the balance range high. We had a big spike too. So I don't know what ES is telling us today. ES is saying we're maybe going lower. Could be this, the driver of the day. We will see. I don't know if we had any news as of recently. It's probably good to double check that. Today, Tuesday. We had CPI, Canadian CPI. Tentative Cleveland Fed inflation expectation. FOMC's tomorrow. Well, we might be chopping around unless they're going to try to price FOMC as of today. That I do not know. But we'll see. Yeah, what recently has been working for me is just trying to, target that break out of balance range. There's this strategy called failed auction breakout. It's when you're in a balance range, you're consolidating, and then in consolidations, you either spike up or down, see that it failed to hold, and the bidder to ask spread got completely soaked, and then you see the reversal of it, and then you can take an entry, put your stop at the low of the break, and then target the next key level. That's been working pretty well for me. And then I don't know if you guys know who Rips is, trader, poker player. His pitch and catch strategy, goated. I mean, I have a very high win percentage using that strategy as well. Yeah. Honestly, I think I see this thing shooting lower. CVD is negative for both. Already fallen, so pre-market. I mean, it's got so many levels. We got levels 40, 50 points down below. Nothing to the upside. Could be a trap. Don't know. No idea. I don't want to just take this very slowly today. I also switched from trading in the 1 minute time frame to the 30-second time frame, because that's what always matched on my bookmap. Bookmap was always on the 30-second time frame, so sometimes I would see things on the bookmap which I didn't clearly see on the chart. So probably a good idea to match it up. And it's been improving my trading a lot. Kind of just see and get out. I can get out in and out of moves way quicker and see them happening. Yeah, you can see the liquidity up top getting thinner, and then we're seeing aggressive buyers trying to form their spreads. And then once it disappears, that's when it starts going up. This looks like it's going to be in a balanced range for right now. And I think last 2 weeks, 3 out of 5 days, we saw consolidation at the open, and then we saw a failed auction break to the downside, which is nice. Because I don't like when the market just opens, swinging, either sends you down or sends you up and then reverses. It's hard to predict that. It's harder to catch that. But if it starts consolidating, you see kind of, you can wait a little bit, be patient for the move to actually happen, and then obviously take that move. Be probably to your best efforts to stay away from market open. Sometimes, if the move looks clean, it's like, hey, we're gonna probably gap up 200 points or gap down 200 points. Maybe if you get in early enough, you get a good entry, it's 100% worth it. It can be done in the first 5 minutes of market open. Equity futures drop as AI worries linger. They say this every other week. Another thing I realized is just watching the news, it's a lot of fear mongering. It's like, Trump's gonna take over Greenland. AI tech worries. Antarctica is starting to cool down again. AI is very worried. I don't know. It's like a very scripted way of saying, hey, AI might fall because we're so bought into it. So let's just make up cover stories like, oh no, AI isn't profitable. No, I'm sorry. AI is profitable. It's just these economic events. Yeah, right. Economic events, they rarely have to do anything unless we get like a terror attack. Market will drop significantly. But or like tariffs, right? When they announced tariffs the first time. But typically, I mean, it's always based on what the big banks are doing, where the money's going, and if they have enough money to support it. Because I mean, they have such a big bet on AI. Their liquidity is running very thin, very, very thin. If you invest so much money into like 7 companies, right, and their stock price starts going down, you're gonna have to reinvest, or those companies will reinvest with each other because they work with each other anyways. So AI is probably going to be fine for the next year or so, is my prediction. But I think if their bets don't work out, and if they don't see any like real profit churnings or see any kind of real development in AI, which they do see, I don't think it's going to be able to support itself. And then if they're in debt in it, then obviously that will cause collapse. Very consolidated pre-market besides random CPI event at 750. Just gap up 200 points. And then if you guys are new and you're watching the stream, I do have a Discord. I could start posting in them a little bit more, mainly for you guys. I have my entire trading strategy listed in that Discord. It's a 50, 60 page PDF. Goes over my trading as well. Has my trading notes in there. Has my weekly notes, my preparation notes. I do morning call outs. So if you guys are interested, it is completely free. It's free to join. I can come in, help you guys out. So I'd say take advantage of it. I am a profitable trader, taking tens of thousands in payouts. I think it's worth it. Better than paying $500 a month for a scammer to tell you he's gonna guarantee you $10,000 in profit, which is illegal. If you guys didn't know, guaranteeing someone profit is actually very illegal, and it's very huge liability on them. But they make so much money that liability has zero effect towards them. It's like if they get sued, these guys signed a contract saying, oh, market open, let's see what happens. Coming back down to overnight at 24,617. Worst decline of the year. Year just started. Nasdaq's down 0.6. Russell 2000 0.25 and S&P 0.22. ES gapped up. Did those orders get removed from the downside? No. Look at that. That's a good break downwards. Yeah, orders stacking up above. Big bounce off of New York. Overnight, sorry. It's very consolidated open for right now. No real direction where we want to head. Seeing big buyers on ES come in. See some hedging on ES. We got 300 icebergs. It looks like they don't really have any actual effect on the market. Maybe it's for 68.50. Try to defend that zone. See what happens. 700. See some selling activity. CBD staying stable. We got a rejection 700. Rejection of 50.
Treasuries rallying, but at the same time, equal weight S&P
This is a very hard heat map to read right now. Got orders at 750 and 762, with orders at 24,600 and 500. 712 just got highlighted with 50 orders. Volumes showing kind of equal. CVD fell 100 or went up 100. We're seeing a big sweep at New York VWAP. If we don't break 700, we could definitely swing downwards to at least 6. I guess it's falling. Let's see what Tesla's down down 2%. Nvidia's down 0.6. Google down 1.3. Can see some of those gains get taken back. Point of controls at 600. Got a lot of those bids getting soaked. Ass. See what happens at 750. 762 ran through. Oh, we got a lot of sellers stepping in at 750. Those bits got soaked right here at 737. See a lot of highlighting underneath. A lot of volumes just showing green though. ES is back at 52. Big spike to the daily open. Oh, that's a lot of aggressive selling. We're above both VWAPs right now. Coming up to 800 on NQ. 800 on NQ. Let's see what happens at 800. Never reached it. Not yet. A lot of resistance at 800. Those orders got deleted on ES. Those big stacks. You got to break out of balance. Back up to previous balance of open. See what happens here. Things might consolidate, or it's going to swing downwards. No in between. Nothing I like to see yet. Just watching. Nothing really above 800. Yeah, 950 highlighted. Broke above 800. Let's see if we get some aggressive selling. some kind of aggressive absorption. See volume slowing down a little bit. CVD completely reversed. Back positive almost. Got some order stacking going on ES. Someone's trying to drag this thing lower, but I don't know if they'll succeed. Got still a lot of buying pressure, especially around 800. Oh, dropped about 10 points. If we could break 80, that's a good entry price. Sweeping 80. Some order stacking around for 62. All right, I like this. Could hold under 80. It's a pretty good entry price. All right, I'm in for 2 contracts. So yeah, you get the flavor. It's a good day if you are invested in one of the investment ETFs on financials and banks. Meanwhile, to the downside, Alphabet, Tesla, Microsoft, Alphabet entering consolidation phase. So some of the big tech is not doing well today. Caterpillar, the old economy company, that's now 1.7%. If you look at the indexes, as expected, it's going to be financials at the top, up 0.8%. Stops at 820 at $173 a risk. And we might get tapped. There you go. Look at that. Look at that aggressive soak. Soaked asks. Okay, or not. Oh, no. There's the selling pressure. That's kind of what I was looking for. You can CVD match it. CVD's matching. Looks like buyers are giving up. Entering for 2 more right here. In total for 4 contracts. Can we see this continue downwards? I got stopped out. Oh my goodness, what's going on with this heat map? Now it falls. Okay. All right. Re-entering in this position. Oh, of course they get completely soaked. Wow. CVD's minus 200. We have a 40-point stop. Risk at 250. Okay. This open's not that great. Everything's getting soaked here at the daily open. See if we can hold the position. I'm in for a total of 8 now. See this thing come down to at least New York VWAP. Can we hold this? Can we hold it? This looks pretty good. This doesn't look good. I mean, we're getting a lot of absorption, so. Can we just hold this? That's the problem. I got a limit by 4 at New York at 36. That's nice. There we go. There we go. Can we push this thing lower? Come on. Get this thing to at least New York. Let's get it to New York. Come on. Break 50 for me. Down to 37. Don't do it. Don't reverse. And it's reversing. Oh, that's good absorption right here from the sellers. We're up 30 points on this position. Can we hold it though? Coming down. Can we tap New York? And it itched my stop. Come on. Nice. It's profit right there. Break even. Still up about $360 on 4 contracts. Target is overnight VWAP. Okay, nice. Good reaction. Very good reaction from the sellers. Nice. We can 100% break 700. Can we get enough selling volume into that position as we break under 20? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put my take profit at 600. I see with this aggressive volume that's coming in, could definitely swing under 700. All right, if we don't, then I'll get stopped out at put my stop right at New York VWAP at 733 for 366 guaranteed profit. Let's see if we could break past point of control at 600. Aggressive volume. Getting a lot of aggressive sell volume. Can we break it? CVD's falling. And ES is dipping. Nice. That's so nice. There we go. Can we hold? We're up 100 points on NQ. 4 contracts, 4 micros. It's very nice. I'm going to buy out of 2 contracts right here. Up 963 on the day. Very nice. Hopefully we don't bounce off an overnight VWAP. Looks like we could break under it. Yeah, there's a lot of strong volume coming in. We got some buyers stepping in. It doesn't look like they're really pressing this position yet. Oh, kind of. No, we got orders at 600. We could probably reach those. Coming back up to 700. Could do a re-add in 700. Add in 2 contracts again. Break even at New York VWAP. That's a nice reaction. There we go. Nice. What a great reaction. What a great reaction, guys. Wow. 200 points. Oh, what a reversal. Great reaction right here. Come on. We can get to 600 pretty easily. I'm going to cut it a little bit closer. Now look at that. We're getting a lot of absorption going on at 750. We tapped into overnight again. Can we hold overnight? That's a big question. Yes, we can. Look at that reaction. Let's break that 750 to put it to 620. I see this thing dipping down to 620. Yeah, 625 is completely highlighted. Can we get this thing down lower, please? So close, so close. Okay, I'm out, guys. $1,700. $1,700. Wow, very nice. We got some entries right here. Got stopped out. We had really tight stops. But we enter in for a total of 8. Took out some after this break. New York. Took out 2 more right here at overnight. Added 2 more. Out at 625. Original entry price. We got 781 to 625. Wow. 150 points? Just about? Wow, what a great first trade, guys. What a great first trade. Oh, what the hell's going on with my computer? This thing's still shooting lower. Oh, I could have held. I could have held that. Yeah, I gotta just disconnect my 2 not express accounts, trade combines. Let's see my express. See what we can get on the express. Nice. This express has 3,000 in profit in it. What a game changer, man. We'll come down to 500. I'm gonna take this trade too. I'm gonna try this out. Stop at the low. Put this. Take profit at 500. CBD's still falling like crazy. Getting some aggressive bids getting soaked. You can see this thing spike back up a little bit. He's rejecting. I'm hopping for 2 more contracts right here. Not the greatest idea, but whatever. See if we can get this continuation going. CBD jumped up 100. We're saying we see a lot of demand lower though. We're getting a lot of aggressive bids getting soaked. He is not holding. This could be a good sweep to the downside. 700. I'm sorry, 570. Come on, break 570. Down to 60. 60 broken, down to 50. Nice. Stop at break even. 40s. Holding. Nice. Down to 30s. Very nice break of 30. Down to 20. Should be simple. I'm going to put a buy to stop at 500. If this thing dips down, we can go all the way down to 200, honestly. Yes, almost at 800. Stops at break even. This is a risk-free trade. Just in case. 40 is holding. CVD still going up, back at 1,000. Spread's kind of showing buys, but this might just be a small pullback to sell further down. Let's see. Come on. That's really nice. Come on. Can we break 30s? Can we break 30s? 30s, holding on by a thread. They're really squeezing this right here. Wow. Okay. Break of 20s. Can we get that 500 level, please? Another 70 points would be excellent on 4 contracts. Can we get that break of 500 for me? Oh, beautiful. 2,000 on the day. Still holding. See if this thing can keep on dipping. Excellent day. 500 holding pretty well. This could keep going lower. Look at that, 100 orders at 400. Woo, it's another 100 points. Can we catch it? Minus 1,300 on the CVD. Gonna see a little pullback here. Yeah, same thing at 800 to key price points. It looks like they just soaked them all. This could be a good trade if it holds. 500 is getting defended pretty well. That's the only issue. Can we break 500? Indeed, we can. Look at that volume pressure. Minus 1,700 on the CVD. They're really trying to squeeze that 500 level. They're really trying to squeeze it. Might have been a failed squeeze. See it right here. Is this thing going to gap up now? Oh, yeah. We're going to see a little gap up here. We're probably going to retry 24,550. Ooh, all those orders got removed. All of them got removed. They're really not trying to show demand for it. I'm going to take another 2 contract sell right here. I like that aggressive sweep right here. Stop at break even. Target's still 400. I think we could see that break of 5. Looks like they're trying to hide their orders. Trying to not show the demand for lower price movements. Ooh, that's a clear book. This could be extremely volatile. This could be extremely volatile, guys. That's a clear book. Oof. They're really trying to squeeze 500. I don't know if they'll get it. I mean, with this kind of, aggressive volume, we could. We 100% could. Squeeze down to 400, maybe down to 200. If that's really the case. Look at that squeeze. They're really squeezing. That book is completely clear. They said, sellers really want that 500 level to be broken. Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go. Look at that break. They're going to run it down now. $500's holding, kind of. They're really squeezing. You can see it by the delta. It's just falling off a cliff. Look at that. Look at that reaction. Look at that reaction. Could this be a $3,000 day? Can hold 90s. Yeah, it could be. What a fall, man. I don't like those orders getting removed. It's a completely clear book. ES is just showing, hey, we're probably going to just keep on falling. Wow. Ooh. What did I say? Clear book will show you. If you guys see a clear book, typically it's going to be extremely volatile. That means the spread's running thin. That means they're going to have to catch up on some orders. So 9 o'clock. I don't know if there was any kind of news. I think they priced in FOMC minutes for this move today. Yeah, we see those bids getting stacked on the bottom right here. Nothing telling me we're going to gap up against 500 again. I think it's extremely well defended. They wouldn't have pressured it so much if they wanted to go above it again. That defense wouldn't have got broken. I'm hopping for 2 more contract, guys. I'm in for total 6. I just see this thing falling. I see this thing falling. Oh! Swept 500. Nope. Oh, I might get tapped out here, guys. Tapped out. That's fine. Looks like some kind of news might have came in. Oh! I might hop in for another 4, guys. This still looks extremely clean for me. I'm hopping in. This got 250. Still targeting 400. Nice clean break. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. Ooh. Can we hold this? It's a big question. Ay. Okay, I got tapped out. Still up 1,600 on the day. I wasn't expecting this. Yeah, those orders got cleared up. Yeah, that was a stupid mistake by me. Stupid mistake. That CVD did not stop rising. Oh, really? Those bits are getting soaked. You can see this thing either shoot up or shoot straight back down. Something's going on here. I can't tell what the hell's going on. Looks like they're coming back up to maybe 600. Yeah, 600's highlighted. They're trying to squeeze those sellers out. Tell by the CVD. Ooh, we got some trap buyers. I don't know if I want to try this yet. Looks like that buying pressure completely is not running out yet. CVD's taking a dip. Okay. This is really aggressive selling right here. I'm gonna try it. One last trade, guys. One last trade. I think that CVD hold is pretty good confidence. We can go lower. There we go. What a dip, guys. What a dip. Wow. Nice. What an entry. Got a little pitch and catch snare. I can re-add in right here if it doesn't completely reverse this position. All right, I re-added in. I'm in for a total of 6. Ooh. Can we hold this break of 20? Yes. Can we? I don't like those aggressive bits getting sold, but that CVD is stable. CVD is extremely stable right now. I just don't think there's any demand for buyers right now. Oh, we could bounce off. What level is this? Monday low. I think they're going to squeeze out 500 though. They wouldn't be selling so hard if they didn't want to squeeze out 500. $518. 20 got soaked. CVD is down like crazy. ES is bouncing. I don't like that. Okay, we're getting a good sweep. If we can hold it. CVD is not moving. It's a good sign. Tape's still printing red. Oh, we could get that dip lower here if that liquidity forms at under 20 and doesn't get soaked. It's a very tricky call here. 600 is completely highlighted. I just don't think there's the demand for it. Can we break 15? Ooh, we're kind of soaking up all those orders at below 20. I think ES is trying to move up, but I think NQ is dragging it down today. Got a jump at CVD. Doesn't look like it did anything. Yeah, that spread's pretty wide. It's really trying to catch under 520. Oh, we got a break under. Can we hold that break? It's a good question. Don't bounce. Don't bounce. You bounced. What the hell's going on now? It's a pretty good reaction. This could be, I think they're going to retry at 21 last time right here. They're really slamming those sell orders. Can we just hold underneath? Can we break those lows? Ooh, this is a good reaction right here. Great reaction. Nice. Break under 500 for me. Oh, what a great reaction, guys. What a great reaction. All sellers under 500. As long as we don't bounce, it's going to be all good. CVD's still falling off a cliff. Look at that demand. Look at that demand. Look at that. Can we break below 90? 90 was a rejection zone previously. Wow, what a great reaction. I'm up 700 on this position. Don't bounce. Don't bounce. Don't bounce. Don't bounce. They got squeezed. Don't do it. Don't do it. Soak those spreads. Come on. There's no way. I should have took profits. Oh, never mind. Can we break 500 though? Bad. There's a lot of demand. It's could be a good sign if we can hold, which we can. Sweet. Great retest. Let's break below 500. Come on. Squeezing it all day. All day. Solid break down to 400. Let's do it. I'm going to put a limit buy for 2 at 76. Got orders down there. Come on. Spreads run thin. Let's shoot down. We're at 90. Oh, I don't like those buyers right there. Those rejections off 90. Yeah, we're only up 40 points on this position on 6 micros. Can you break under 500? Liquidity shows that we probably can. I don't like the defense there, though. It's the only problem. My only issue with this trade is this defense of 500. CVD falling again. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, no. Sellers are really trying to squeeze this out. Extremely volatile right now. Could this be the move right here? ES just got a whole lot of selling pressure, a whole lot of selling volume. I think this is buyer's last chance to try to squeeze out that 500 level, try to protect it. You can tell by the CVD going up. It looks like I don't think they will get it. Too much seller demand for that level. We're going to see that dip very soon. Come on. Oh, come on. Don't do it to me. And it stopped me out. Oh, what is that front run, dude? Wow. Just jumped 60 points. We're only 10 points away from TP1 too. We're gonna hold off for right now. That 60 level still getting defended. Previously entered in at. Let's see if they can front run these orders. Yeah, they can. They definitely can. I'm coming up to New York and overnight. It's at 600. Yeah, buyers are squeezing up to 600. Rates are coming down. Could see a retest of 600 here. Point of control is at 600. So it was previously. We're getting a lot of buyers. Hello. Okay, Top Step X just. There we go. This could be a failed auction break. Let's get a confirmed move below 600 to see if it is. It's not really any demand up higher. You can see sellers stepped in, but if we don't see any good moves in the next few minutes, I'm gonna get off the charts. Already I'm up 1600 on the day, and then 1500 on 2 combines. So I like that rejection. Oh, Top Step X is lagging out. Can we hold this failed auction break back down to the 550 levels? It's a good question. This isn't really a consolidation zone. This is a low. Nice. Already up 20 points. Yep, sellers are taking over again. Are they? CVD is showing that they're trying to squeeze. Yep, that is definitely a squeeze. Up 300 on this position. Can we break 70s? Can we break 80s again for that demand level to get hit? Sellers are trying to squeeze, but will it give it to me? This looks good. I like that. There we go. What a squeeze from the sellers, man. Let me buy 2 right here. Can we get the squeeze of 550? CBD still holding. This could be a really good move still. Yeah, this looks like a continuation play. Got limit 2 at 500, so get out half my position there. Still want that 400 level to get hit. I think that's going to be the big demand level for the day. We got a lot of sellers stepping into the market, seeing a good squeeze. Breaking past 40. 40 was not a defense zone. It was typically 20. So we should see a good sweep down to 20. CBD is still falling. ES is dumping as well. It's trying to back up to 50. Retest to 50. Buyers said no. Sellers said no. Okay, we got some delayed market data right now. Up 500 on this position. Continuing to hold. Can we sweep past 40? Looks like 40 is a new defense zone. It wasn't previously. We're seeing that squeeze. CBD just that lag. Oh my goodness. I'm scared to hold this position right now. So much lag. Ooh, come on. Don't squeeze past 550. Don't squeeze past 550. Wow. Down to 40. 40's holding as a defense zone, man. See if sellers are going to continue squeezing. It looks like they're trying to, and we get a break of 40. Let's see if we can get down to 20 now. 20. Great. Wow. About to catch 100 points again. Ooh, we're really squeezing. See if that limit 2 gets hit at 500. Come on, up 712 on this position. We're getting a little bit of buyers. Can we continue squeezing is the big question. CBD is not holding up as well as I wanted to, but it could be okay. 20 was that previous rejection zone. Can we hold it? That's the big question. 25 to 23, 23. Sellers are continuing to squeeze 20. Orders building up at 400. This is a good sign. Sorry, guys. My internet completely went out. I don't know what the hell happened, but I'm still in my position. I'm up. I took profit at 600. So, but the thing is that they're not showing me my bracket order, which is crazy. I don't like that sweep. I'm gonna hop out for the last two. I'm gonna buy 2 right here. Get out of this position completely. Can you get me out of my position, please? Please and thank you. Kind of ruined it for me. 600, 660. That spread's going wild. Okay. What? Uh-oh. Okay. All right. I'm out. Personal lockout. I'm up $2,500 for the day, guys. $2,500 for the day. What a move. We caught like 400 points. Can you believe that shit? 400 fucking points. And then tops have tried to screw us. I couldn't see my positioning. They completely lagged out. And they didn't want to take me out of my position too, so I had to just hop out. How stupid is that? I don't know if I'll continue trading. I mean, if this is going to happen again, I mean, there's no point. I don't want them just taking away my profit or something. They're just denying me a payout. It's like, oh, your trading conditions for today were not real because you couldn't see the orders or something. $300 has demand, $200 has demand, $400 has 330 contracts. Ay. I'm already locked out, so my 50K combines, we got some deal going on, so I bought 2. Beautiful fucking day, though. Beautiful day. Only 2 days away from payout. I mean, as you guys can see, I wish I could see my entry points, but you don't want to give that to me. I mean, look at that. What the hell? Cancel that. Orders. Maximum position. Oh, because that was NQ. And they switched me to NQ. What the hell? There we go. That makes more sense. Man, I was like, what the hell? Yeah, we took a lot of entry, 2 entries right here. Caught the low at 500 from 800. I mean, come on. The rejection of New York and overnight, 600 down to 24,492. Great positioning on that. I think they're keep sending this lower. I would trade this, but I'm all right. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me today. I hope you guys enjoy me lagging out too, but 2,500 on one account for the day is not bad. Not bad at all. All right. I'll see y'all guys later. Peace.